I am Ben Zook. My position at Belmont Solar is to try to change solar forever. The vision is to make renewable doable and to share it with a lot of people. So we specialize in residential solar because that connects us with the heart and the goals of the end user. We start with the design and we take it through to connecting the pieces and the finish out and making sure everyone's thrilled for years to come. Interaction means a lot. Having a goal that we mutually work towards means a lot. We also get to do something we really love. It's really technical, but it has a lot of variations, and the doors are wide open for what's possible in the future, mainly due to technical innovation. If you really think this type of work would be fun, it's good to have a resume or something on paper, but then follow it up with communication, phone call, or an in-person visit. We really look forward to hearing from you regardless of what turns out for you.
My name's Eric, and I am the Permits and Inventory Coordinator. I really enjoy the culture here. I also enjoy the diversity of the job. I'm dealing with townships for permits. I'm also doing customer communication, so that personal communication is something that I do enjoy. But there's also time with inventory that I'll be able to get out of the shop and just get on a forklift and move some things around and get things prepped for the crew. So it's a lot of different things, and I enjoy that. It's not mundane at all. I think if you want to excel professionally, because they do have a high standard here as far as their quality of work, but also with that personal, relational aspects that come with the people you work with and the team mentality. It's a great balance of the two.
Hi, my name is Vicki. I'm the office manager and bookkeeper at Belmont Solar, but I feel that I've always jumped in to help my team members, customers, with anything that I can do. At Belmont Solar, what I really enjoy is that we work together as a team. We communicate with each other. Things get done. The fact that no one's better than the next person, and our opinions are heard. I find that's very rewarding and important to all of us here.
Hi, I am Jacob Spiksnijder. I'm the digital marketer here at Belmont Solar. What I like about working at Solar is being a fan of renewable energy is that we're taking 1.5 home every week basically offline. The home at the end of the year would not have taken any energy, wouldn't have any cost to it. So, you know, that's a huge reduction in carbon footprint for every home.
My name is Isaac, and I'm a service technician here at Belmont. I enjoy it because it's always something different every day. It's very diverse. You know, it's just a great group of people to work with, which in my opinion is one of the most important things. A smaller company with great benefits and great flexibility and just a lot of opportunity.
My name is Michael Mitchell. What I found most rewarding about the job is that helping the customer. I found that it's not just about working for Belmont, it's for working for the customer. Just seeing how they feel about the system afterwards, it's really rewarding.
My name is Michael Illick. I work for Belmont Solar, and I'm a solar panel installer. For someone who wants to come and work for Belmont Solar, I would say the best part about this job is that they invest in your education. There's so much to learn here, and for someone who's looking to learn something new and start a good career, this is a great opportunity for that.
So considering working for Belmont, do come in. We like to have you here. This is a good environment, like I said before, and we have a lot to offer. You can learn a lot, and we like to learn from you. So if that's the type of environment you're looking for, definitely come to Belmont Solar.